Well, continue reduction formula. Now, this time we have an integral. It gets involved with two numbers, m and n. So this is I sub n and n. Now, I start with this, start with 1 minus x to the power n, and xm dx, I write this way. This is x plus m plus 1 over m plus 1. So that one is xm dx. Now I can use by parts, right? uv. So u times v is x m plus 1, m plus 1, 1 plus x from 0 to 1, and the minus v du. This is v. Du is n, 1 minus x to the n minus 1, times the derivative of a negative x, which is negative 1, and the dx. And this one, x equal to 1 is 0. When x is 0 is 0. So f is 0. And negative become positive. And n m plus 1 integral x m plus 1 times 1 minus x n minus 1. So this one is equal to n m plus 1. This integral is I n plus 1 and n minus 1. Yeah, this is reduced, but this is not reduced, increased rather. But it doesn't matter. We can repeat the formula n plus 1. We repeat the reduction formula. This is I sub n, right? Repeat that one, so it becomes n is this, right? So m is this. This becomes n plus 2. And m plus 2, yeah, and n minus 2. And then we repeated the formula again. This is m plus 1, n minus 1, m plus 2. Now repeat using this formula. So this will be n minus 2, m plus 3, and I n plus 3, n minus 3. Well, then repeat the formula again. This is n. Now let me write this way. Okay, this is better. Minus 1, n minus 2, and n minus 3, and so on. This is m plus 1. Now m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3, until somewhere this will be 0, right? Somewhere this will be 0. When this is 0, this will be m plus n. Okay, this is increasing. This is decreasing. So somewhere it reaches 0. When this reaches 0, this will reach m plus n to the same number. Then this is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. This integral, right? This is integral xm plus n is 0. So this is, okay, this is m plus 1, m plus 2, m plus 3 until this one. So this is n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. This integral is what? This integral is well, let me finish this one first. This will be m plus n plus 1, right? This is x m plus n plus 1. So when this is x, this is 1, right? And this is that one minus 0. This is 0. Therefore, finally, this will be result. The last one is 1. Right? And this is m plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3. The last one is n plus 1. Yeah. So finally, this integral m and n x n 1 minus x n dx, that is my integral becomes this. Let me repeat writing again. So n minus 2, n minus 3, and n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, until the last one, n plus 1. Good. Now I multiply both numerator and the denominator by m factorial. Okay, both multiply m factorial. Now then, this is n factorial times m factorial. The denominator, this is m factorial, multiply m plus 1, m plus 2, and so on up to this number. So it becomes m plus n plus 1 factorial. Yeah, this is stuff from 1 to m, then continue m plus 1, m plus 2 until this number. So it becomes this factorial. So that is the reduction formula for this integral. Well, it's fantastic. In other words, this integral can be done by this calculation. Okay? This is my reduction formula. Let's have two examples. The first example is say 3, 4. That is this example from 0 to 1, right? X to the 4, 1 minus x to the, this is 3, m is 3, n is 4. Now use the formula is a 4 factorial right? And times 3 factorial. The denominator will be 8 factorial. So this one is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial, which cancel with that one. So this is gone. This is times, this is 3 factorial, right? Cancel out. This is 280. Yeah, okay, that is the result for this integral. Very good. Now let's one more. 6, 5. This is integral x to the power of 6, 1 minus x to the 5 dx. Well, and then we use the reduction formula. That is 5 factorial times 6 factorial times this plus this one plus 1 is a 12 factorial. Well, this is 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. Cancel with that one. So this is gone. And left over 5 factorial. 3, 2, 1. So this one equal to, yeah, this one times this one cancel with that one. This one times this one cancel with this one. So it's 1, 11 times 8, 9 times 8 times 7. Yeah, this is equal to 77 times 72. Well, it's equal to 4. Wow. I hope my calculation is correct. Well, it's very good method, reduction formula. Okay, there's more to come. Thank you.